In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma color styles. By the end, you'll know how to set up consistent, reusable colors that keep your designs tidy and your team aligned. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser and opening your workspace. From there, open the view that shows everything you have access to by clicking All Projects. This makes it easy to find the right place to work, especially if you're juggling multiple files or teams. Next, pick the project you want to work in and open it. You can do this from the projects grid or the sidebar, depending on your layout. Once your design file is open, look to the right-hand panel. This is where Figma groups properties and styles. Find the Styles section and click the plus icon to create something new. This is your entry point for making reusable design tokens like color styles. Choose color as the type of style you want to create. A color style captures a single source of truth for a color, so when it changes later, anything linked to it updates automatically. That's the real power of styles. Consistency without manual rework. Give your color style a clear, descriptive name. Consider a simple naming convention like brand primary 500 or UI success background, so styles sort neatly and stay understandable as your system grows. Good names save time and reduce mistakes. Add a short description that explains how and where the color should be used. For example, you might note that it's intended for buttons, text on dark backgrounds, or highlights in charts. Descriptions help teammates choose correctly and maintain accessibility and brand integrity. Now choose the appearance for the style. You can use a solid color or pick a gradient if you need depth or direction. If you have a repeating motif, pattern can reinforce brand texture. Image and video fills are available when you need richer surfaces like hero sections or interactive mock-ups. As you decide, think about contrast and legibility, especially for text or critical UI states. Keeping a small set of purposeful variants prevents clutter. When everything looks right, click Create Style. Your new color style is now saved and ready to use across your file, and if you publish a library later, it can be shared across projects too. That's it. Simple, scalable, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching. With a few thoughtful names, descriptions, and choices, your Figma color styles become a reliable foundation for clean, consistent design.